Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Guri and today we are creating this super easy witch look right here. So if you want to see how you can create this look in no time at all, please just keep on watching. So I accidentally started filming on the wrong memory card, but I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation and this is in the color R1C1 Ivory Rose. It's the lightest foundation shade I own. And it is quite a bit lighter than my skin tone. And today for this look I want to be really pale, so that's very convenient. And so with my foundation on, I'm going in with a concealer. I'm just taking the lightest one I have. And I'm just using this a bit kind of to brighten up my face even more. And then I'm just blending it out with the beauty sponge. Traditionally, witches typically have very pointy chins, so I'm making this part of my face even lighter than it is. And to set my face, I'm just going in with the translucent setting powder from the Beauty Bakery and a flawless face brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm just setting a little bit just so I don't get too much fallout. It doesn't matter if I wrinkle up a bit, because I do think I want this witch to be kind of wrinkly. So wrinkles are not a problem. Then for my brows, I'm going to try something that I've never tried before. I'm going to take a spoolie and the Beauty Bakery Pancake Ice Cream, and I'm going to use this on my brows to try to make them disappear into my face. So I'm just taking some of the product and I'm placing it on my hand like this so I can dip the spoolie into it there. And then I'm brushing the spoolie through my brows. And I'm also trying to brush it kind of the wrong way, just to coat the roots of my brows. As you can see, the color of this product is a little bit more pink toned than the rest of my face. So I'm also going to go over this with some of the concealer that I was using, just to lighten up the whole area. And then I'm just dabbing this in with the sponge, just to make this a little bit less pink. Like, we made them less visible but not disappear. Almost a success. And then I'm just setting these a little bit. Then I'm just priming my lids using the same concealer. I usually wear eyeshadow primer or a cream eyeshadow for this, but I don't have anyone in a shade that is as light as I want it to be. And I'm also just going to wash this off afterwards, so it doesn't need to stay all day this time. Then with my eyes primed, I'm going in with my Smashbox Cover Shot Sultry Eye Palette. This is kind of cool and gray tones mostly, which is perfect for this look right here. I'm picking up a pretty large shader brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm starting out with the lightest color right here, and I'm just placing this up by my brow. Then I'm picking up this light grayish shade here, and I think I said it wrong. I think this one is Blitz and this one is Hang. Like hang out in here, and I'm just placing this as a transition shade, and I'm also bringing this all the way to the front of my eye, because we want this witch to look a little worn, a little tired. And we're also taking this color below the eye, making it pretty big. Then we're picking up this color Stone, and we're placing that all over the lid. Then we're picking up this color here, this dark cocoa color, and we're placing this close to the lash line, just building up the intensity of. And we're also taking this color and running it along the lower lash line. And we're also going to use this shade, just whatever is left on the brush, to lightly, or actually not so lightly, contour our nose, and also upwards towards where the brows are. And to make the nose look not so straight, we can kind of create shadows, and we can also enhance what is already there. Zoom you out even more, making the chin even pointier by kind of contouring here as well. Now we are picking up a contour brush, and I'm going to use the Lorac Tantalizer, and I'm using this darkest color right here, and I'm using this to contour my cheeks, and I want this to be pretty harsh. And then we don't want this witch to look nice and fresh faced, but we do want her to have a little bit of color to her cheeks anyways. So I'm picking up the color Butterscotch. It's a little tan, but we'll see. And I'm just kind of using it as a blush, just to bring some sparkle to the face without bringing any fresh kind of color. Also placing this on the lighter parts of the nose and on the chin to make it stand out more and look more pointy. Then we're taking this black eyeliner. This one's from Sephora, and we're running it all the way around the eyes, and we can just do this quite sloppily. I'm just going to zoom you in along the lower lash line as well. And I'm just going to take my finger to smudge this out a little. Then I'll be putting on false lashes. I'll be using these eye candy lashes. They have a lash adhesive included, but I will not be using the included lash adhesive as it is really bad. So I will instead be using my House of Lashes glue. And I'm just going to put these on using my fingers. I've already used these before once, so they're kind of gross looking, but that's okay. And then I'm just placing the adhesive onto the lash band and letting it dry for a little bit, waiting until it gets tacky before I put them on. And I'm just using my hands, no tweezer, and I'm just placing this on the center of my eye. I'm just going to zoom you out. Just placing this on the center of my eye. And try not to glue it to your fingers. Like this. And I'm just going to do the other eye as well. And with your lashes more or less securely fastened to your face, you can put in a little bit of mascara. I'm just going in with the Maybelline Big Colossal Shot. This is the Makeup Shayla collaboration. And I'm just very quickly and easily coating from below just to blend my natural lashes into the falsies, and also adding some to my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to set my face using my ColourPop All Star Setting Spray. I'm just giving this a little shake before I spritz it on. And this smells like cinnamon. Then I'm putting on lipstick, and today I'm going in with Trick from Sugarpill's Halloween edition. This is a black with orange and other color sprinkles. I'm just shaking this a little bit before I'm putting it on my lips. This is super pretty. Then I'm taking off my pumpkin, and now I have two choices. I can either just put on this witch's hat and be done, or I can put on a wig. So let me just take some pictures with this hat, and then I'll put on a wig and I'll see what I like the most. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, any questions, any wishes for future looks, any products you want me to try out, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you do decide to recreate this look, I'd be super happy if you could tag me in your pictures in social media so I can see them. That would be really fun for me to see. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a button for you right up there, and if you don't want to miss anything, you can also hit that notification bell that you'll find right below the screen somewhere. If you want to see any of the videos I did before, I leave a couple of them up here for you. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye!